I got the camera. Recording. Should have
Run!
Whoa.
Especially Elliot. Grab
Oh
it.
no.
Back up, back up.
Bomb thingy.
That's good. That's good.
Can't even see it now.
I can. Blind.
I got it.
That's it, Bucky. It's going to explode and spark. Jump. For it. For it. Go out, then go. Fun. Got it.
Well, we got a little colour on that one.
That was passion.
Exploding pretty fast in a second here.
It almost spilled. Come on, for it.
Oh, maybe it's dead.
Wait.
No.
Alright.
It's dead.
Wait.
It's a dud.
Everybody back up. It might explode.
No, I think it's a dud.
No.
It's a dud.
You have to wait for it.
It's a dead, mate.
It's a dud.
I'll tell you.
You failed on that one.
I'm kind of afraid.
Slowly approach.
Put it back on there.
Damn, cut it off. I don't even see it.
It's off.
I don't even see it.
Retarded.
Are you recording this?
No.
Take a picture.
I'm already recording, smart one.
Huh?
I'm already recording.
Oh, no.
It's gonna burn you. It's gonna be funny.
Do I drop it?
No, you keep holding it. Here, what are you looking for?
Oh, thanks.
Aren't they over here somewhere?
Do I big or start?
Ken, they're like over here, more or less.
There's the first one.
Oh, that's a.
That was the very first one we did.
There, right there. You skipped them. Right there.
Yeah.
It doesn't even look like it's.
Okay, what's that way? Okay.
Everybody back up.
Kieran, I think he needs light. Are you gonna try again?
Of course.
Don't blow up.
He's just sitting there.
Please, like, don't blow up.
He's a magical princess unicorn.
That was pathetic.
He's a princess magical princess unicorn thingy. Unicorn thingy. What is that, your second? You put a new one in there.
Oh, you put a new one. It's not burning.
Give me a sec.
Are you sure you put the light in there? Oh my gosh. It might.
It might actually do the sun.
See, this is a good thing I got this. My camera out. It's still rolling.
Get it?
Still rolling.
Alright, hopefully this one, trial number 2 will be success.
Try another 3.
Number 2.
3.
This is number 2. Shut up, Devin.
Oh,
It fell?
Dud.
No.
it could make it.
Oh my god. I hate when it does that. It's so scary.
That's why I put 2 different colors in it. It looks like red too.
Woohoo.
It's gonna blow over, guys. Kieran, why do you always touch first?
Because you're not special enough. It's not even touching.
Devin! It's a double. You won't get better than this.
Oh.
Ching, ching, chonga long. Devin, hurry up and capture it.
I'm videotaping the whole thing.
Capture the moment of despair. What about Ferrari of those?
Try it.
Hey, take a picture of me holding this before it blows my hand off. Ketchup? Ow, hit my finger!
No, it's mine. Oh, kill it. Owie! You stepped on me. It won't go out. Yeah, yeah. I got it.